Hello dear students, myself CMA Padmaja Buzruk. I will discuss accounts of insurance company. Go to study note number 4, accounts of banking, electricity and insurance companies. I will be discussing accounts of insurance companies. Insurance business is essentially a way of averaging the risk. Insurance business in India is regulated by the provisions of Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act IRDA 1999. Insurance policy is a document containing terms of insurance contract which the insurance company issues after receiving the premium. Once the insurance company gets insurance premium, it issues insurance policy. Insurance policy is nothing but a document which contains terms and conditions of insurance contract. Policy specifies all the conditions subject to which the policy is issued. These conditions bind both the parties. These parties are insurance company as well as the party who has taken the insurance policy. A policy is a contract entered into between insurance companies and the person insuring his risk. So there are two parties, insurance companies and the person insuring his risk. The insurance companies are called insurer and the person insuring his risks are called insured. Types of policies. Depending on the type of risk, there are several types of insurance policies. Risk of fire are covered by fire policies. Marine risk of goods, vessels and freight of goods are covered by marine insurance policies. Loss of theft are covered by burglary insurance. There are miscellaneous policies to ensure accidents, fidelity of employees, loss of profit in event of fire and accident, and death to employees at work spots. Books required to be maintained by insurance companies. Under the Insurance Act 1938, it is obligatory, that is compulsory, on the part of all insurance companies, including general insurance companies, to maintain the following books, which may be called statutory books. First, the Register of Policies. This book contains the following particulars in respect of each policy issued: the name and address of policyholder, the date when the policy was effected, and a record of any assignment of the policy. Second, Register of Claims. This book should contain the following particulars in respect of each claim: the date of claim, the name and address of the claimant, that is, the person who is lodging claim with insurance companies, the date on which the claim was discharged, and in case of a claim which is rejected, the date of rejection and the ground for rejection, that is, the reasons for rejection. Third, Register of Licensed Insurance Agents. This book should contain following particulars in respect of each agent: name and address of every insurance agent appointed, the date of appointment, and the date on which appointment ceased, if any. Insurance companies get their business through agents. These agents get commission from insurance companies, and this commission paid to agents is expenditure of insurance companies. In addition to the statutory books mentioned above, insurance companies also maintain the following subsidiary books for recording the transactions: proposal register, new premium cash book, renewal premium cash book, agency and branch cash book, petty cash book, claims cash book, general cash book, agency credit journal, agency debit journal, lapsed and cancelled policies book, chief journal, commission book, agency ledger, policy loan ledger, general loan ledger, and investment ledger. Now we'll see types of insurance: life insurance and general insurance. These are the types of insurance: life and general. Life insurance again is classified under two heads: whole life policy and endowment policy. In case of whole life policy, the insured does not get the amount during his lifetime, but it is paid to the nominees on his death. In case of endowment policy, amount is paid to the insured on his attainment of specified age. If he dies before attainment of specified age, then amount is paid to his nominees. General insurance is grouped under three heads: fire insurance, marine insurance, and miscellaneous insurance. In case of fire insurance, risk covered is loss by fire. In case of marine insurance, risk covered is transport through ship or loss because of transport through ship. Miscellaneous insurance, in this there are various different types of insurance: accident insurance, risk covered is loss by accident; burglary insurance, risk covered is loss by theft; fidelity insurance, risk covered is dishonesty of employees; third party insurance, risk covered is damage to third parties; workman's compensation, risk covered is injury to worker at workplace; loss of profit, it is also known as consequential loss policy. Risk covered is loss of profit due to fire, accident, etc. Now in this particular video, we have covered various types of insurances, main two types, life and general insurance, and what are the different types under this, then various books of accounts required to be maintained by insurance companies. Thank you.